This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on Indian Express screen, and I am here in conversation with one of the most amazing players from Alliance.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
That is so sweet.
No, you were one, I found you one of the most honest players in the game because kuch bhi ho jaye, you always, kept your values very intact in the game. Game ke liye aapne betray nahi kiya logon ko.
Yes.
Which is why, that was one part of the game that I really loved. But Neeti, congratulations for making it at least, as a semi-finalist.
Thank you so much.
How is the feeling, now that you are out, back to the grind?
Oh my God, it's been so difficult. I touched my phone after इतने time बाद. फोन का छोड़ो, वेदर देखा मैंने. इधर बारिश हो रही है because उधर आपको पता नहीं कब धूप है, कब रात है, क्या टाइम है. You do not know. So over here, literally, I am struggling with sleep till date. I wake up in the middle of the night. I'm like, कितने बजे है? It's crazy, but it's a beautiful feeling also when I touch my phone. The reels that I'm seeing, now suddenly I don't know how to use my phone also. And I'm like, oh, अच्छा ये ऐसे करना है, वो वैसे करना है. But I love it. And I can be without my phone. I love that feeling कि मेरा phone नहीं था मेरे पास, मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
Also, if I'm not wrong, first captive reality experience.
First captive reality, yes, first.
And how would you describe it?
I would say it was a roller coaster for me. Maza aaya. So many things that I discovered about myself. I never thought I can do this and that. I have become a new me, and I love the new me. Like, wow, what
Absolutely.
a game.
As an individual, it was a very fresh side that we got to see of you on the show. But what I felt really bad about was how constantly people kept tagging you as weak.
Yeah.
This was one big problem. Like, I really wanted to come inside the show and, shout at people that stop this boys club.
Yeah.
How do you look at it? Because yesterday when I was talking to Minnie also, she said that, even she hated this idea that the boys got to pick the girls.
Yes, it was always that way कि they are deciding everything, and no matter आप हर game अच्छा खेलो, you played, very well, you've not even done a bad task or a challenge, but still you're dismissed. I will not even say weak or anything, you're just dismissed. मतलब आप वो देखते ही नहीं हैं आपको. It's like that. So अभी to the point, this is why I was all the time, so emotional कि भाई, why can't you just see? Like, it's not that I'm not performing. If I've done something wrong, I get it. But over here, perform भी कर रही हूँ, अच्छा भी कर रही हूँ, फिर भी आप नहीं ले रहे, तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
No, of course, it's a very bad feeling that despite, doing so well, when you don't get acknowledged, it is a very bad feeling. And I'm very glad that, a woman won the show because, women taking a stand for themselves in that game was very important. What I want to know, what has been one of the biggest takeaways or, life-changing experiences that you've had from the show?
I'm telling you, firstly, it is that I discovered a new me. Things that I never thought I would do, I was doing that. I never knew I would be good when it comes under pressure. I never in my life thought. I never thought I can be physically that strong because मैंने बहुत सारे tasks किए. I'll say even aiming. भाई मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा कि मैं aiming कर सकती हूँ because मेले वेले पे भी गई हूँ और वो बंदूक तो कभी एक बलून पे भी नहीं लगा है. But over there, aiming at the buttons, and then basketball. I have not done all these things in my life ever. Merry-go-round, that round table, like I don't know what happened. कौन सी माता आ गई मेरे अंदर. मैंने तो मतलब everything, I was like I have to. And stress में, I didn't know कि मैं stress में बहुत कुछ अच्छा कर सकती हूँ जिंदगी में. And also now I have also realized who to choose to keep as friends in my life. I think that is one thing I have learned कि भाई सब भारत मिला मुझे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Sometimes I just have to be like, it's okay, let's step back and let's see what's good, what's bad, and let's see who is good for you and not.
One very sweet moment from your journey was when Sohail Khan told you that this friendship will even go beyond the show.
Yes.
Having Sohail Khan on the show, what was that like? What energy did he bring to the game?
He is such a gentleman. He is so sweet, cute, and वो और मैं सबसे पहले सुबह को उठते थे. Like we were the first ones to get up. And our morning is just like, चलो battery change कर रहे हैं. I'm like, हाँ आप दे दो मुझे. नहीं, it's okay, I'll take mine. Let's take ours only. Let's not take anyone. Like he had the cutest things. He has gifted me a T-shirt. Yes, and मतलब ये सब चीजें दिखाए नहीं जाते हैं.
Right.
Even जब सलमान खान अपने मग से पी रहे थे ना, तो we had to give it back, okay? जो मैंने चोरी की है, and I've gone to Sohail sir and said, listen, सलमान sir जिस कप से पी रहे थे ना, I have चोरी करोड़ it. So can you please tell them to allow me to take it out? So he literally spoke to them and said, let her take it. Otherwise, they were not allowing anything. So I think he's just a very, very sweet person. जैसे वो दिखते हैं बाहर movies वगैरह में, वैसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल, absolutely. Also, you know what, I don't know if how correct my assessment here is, but on the show in the initial days when Kushal, when you know everybody was very good friends with Kushal that time, y'all kept discussing about his relationship a lot. That time I felt you probably knew something which you couldn't reveal on the show. Was that the case?
Yes, I just know a lot, and I was also like questioning him and asking him so much. So it was basically a little of lockup and alliance going on over there. And then I was like, बस मैं सुन लेती और कुछ नहीं पूछती. So yeah, we just loved the gossip part, to be honest.
And during that conversation, you also mentioned about one of the past relationships where your ex kind of burnt you with a cigarette and all. A lot of people outside, started taking names.
Yeah. Oh no. Huh.
Yeah. So it kind of snowballed into something else. So would you like to clarify what?
Guys, I don't read my books backwards. What has happened. No naming, no nothing, because that is not me. जो हो गया, मैंने बहुत vulnerable तरीके से उस time बोल दिया था. I didn't realize it's going to become so huge and it's going to blow like that. But yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. And now that Minnie has won,
yes.
If you have to give a shout out to her, for all that she's done for you on the game also, what would Neeti tell her?
I would just say from day one, I think we've been this thick till today. And Min, I am coming right now after this interview to you to celebrate you, and you know how much I love you, and I'm the happiest that you won. And I think we all knew that you're going to win, right? So yeah.
Amazing. Exploring the reality space more?
Yeah,
now?
no, I'm done. I am done with this. This was
for this year or for life?
No. This is the first and the last time.
Oh, okay. Well, wish you all the very best.
Thank you so
and
much.
we hope to see you soon. Not in the reality space, but something else.
Yes, very, very soon.
Absolutely.
Thank
you so much.